Hi, my name is Giselle Melissa Suarez Sandoval. I am foreign languages student from UPTC, and I will explain the consonant sounds by the manner of articulation. So, by the manner of articulation, the consonant sounds are divided into 5 different groups: nasal, plosives, fricatives, affricates, and approximates. So we have 3 nasal sounds that are and ng. We have 6 plosive sounds that are p, b, t, k, and k. We have 9 fricative sounds that are v, s, z, v, sh, zh, and h. We have 2 affricate sounds that are j and ch. And we have 4 approximate sounds that are y, w, and l. Now we can also classify the consonant sounds into voiceless consonant sound and voiced consonant sound. So a voiceless consonant sound is a sound in that you don't have to do an effort or a vibration when you produce the sound, but in the contrary, with voiced consonant sound, you have to do an effort or a vibration when you produce the sound. In the nasal group, all the sounds are voiced. For the second group, if you pay attention to the previous table, the first sound is voiceless, the second voiced, the third voiceless, and so on. So there are 3 voiceless consonant sounds and 3 voiced consonant sounds. Now, with the fricative sounds, the same thing happens because the first sound is voiceless, the second one is voiced, the third voiceless, and so on. So there are 5 voiceless consonant sounds and 4 voiced consonant sounds. With the affricate sounds happens the same, but since we have only 2 sounds, the first of them are voiceless and the second one are voiced. And the last group, that is approximants, all the sounds are voiced. So let us go deeper into each group. Nasal. As the name says, these sounds are produced thanks to the nose. You abstract the passage of air through the mouth to expel it through the nose. So let's look at some examples. With the sound we have moon and some. With the sound we have soon and never. With the sound we have funk and sing. Plosives. In this case, the air is retained in the mouth and then is expelled in a small explosion. So let's look at some examples. With the sound p, we have please and pop. With the sound b, we have pop and back. With the sound t, we have took and tequila. With the sound D, we have did and do. With the sound K, we have come and turkey. With the sound G, we have garden and back. Fricatives. These sounds are produced by partially blocking the air that moves through the mouth. So let's look at some examples. With the sound F, we have for and phone. With the sound V, we have love and save. With the sound S, we have science and works. With the sound Z, we have freezers and zippers. With the sound F, we have thank and breath. With the sound V, we have they and this. With the sound sh, we have action and sugar. With the sound z, we have usual and vision. With the sound h, we have how and whom. Affricates. The affricates are made by first stopping the airflow and then releasing it through a narrow passage in the mouth. So let's look at some examples. With j, that is our J in Spanish, we have judge and adjust. With the sound ch, that is our che in Spanish, we have achieve and lecture. Approximate. So here we have three sounds that are central. It means that the mouth position stays always in the same position. And one sound is lateral. It means that your mouth position changes to one side to another side. So let's look at some examples. With the sound we have raft and riot. With the sound we have yoga and yell. With the sound we have examples like web and word. And with the sound O, we have people and last. Okay, so that's all for this topic, the consonant sounds. I hope that you can understand me, and thanks for watching.